Our adventure begins at the bustling Peshawar Kant railway station. As the train begins its rhythmic journey, the cityscape of Peshawar fades into the background, replaced by the scenic landscapes of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. We traverse through the quaint stations of Nasirpur and Pabi, each offering a unique glimpse into the local life and culture. As we journey onward, the historic station of Nowshera emerges, followed by the picturesque Rizalpur. The train continues its rhythmic journey through the verdant landscapes, with the final stop at Mardan before reaching the crowning glory of our journey, the awe-inspiring Takhti Bai. The train safari excursion offers a unique blend of history, culture, and scenic beauty. As we disembark, the vibrant tunes of a traditional band performance welcome us, setting the tone for the day. Expert guides are on hand to provide valuable insights into the intricate architecture and the rich history of Takhti Bai. A journey through Takhti Bai is a journey through time. We explore the remnants of a 1st century AD Buddhist civilization, unraveling the secrets hidden within the intricate architecture and ancient relics. The day culminates with a delectable serving of chapli kebab, a traditional local delicacy, adding a gastronomical high note to the excursion. The train safari excursion to Takhti Bai is an experience like no other. It is an opportunity to immerse oneself in the rich cultural heritage of the region, to witness firsthand the grandeur of the ancient Buddhist civilization, and to savor the flavors of the local cuisine. It's a journey that promises to be as enlightening as it is entertaining. So, secure your slot now for a one-of-a-kind journey through time. For more details, reach out to us at 0333 941 2285. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and this could be that first step to an unforgettable adventure.